Hi guys. So this week is about Wikipedia. We have two reading this week, and mainly the reading is about a guy who is create an account and mess around in other people's account. I think the main theme behind these actions is to emphasize whether the Wikipedia is trustable or not, because everybody can do anything on the page. If you're the user or the viewer, you have to think about whether this is true or not, because everyone can do the same thing. And then I would like to talk about the coursework in this week. Basically, we're divided into two groups, and then each group have to create a Wikipedia page. And our group is to create a data matching page on Wikipedia. And our group is really awesome, and because we're very efficient. I remember that we have a little meeting in the learning zone, and then that was last around 30 minutes, within 30 minutes. And then first of all, we look at the structures of the Wikipedia and then see what content we have to include. And then we just allocate different parts to different group mates, and then that's it. What I feel about creating a page on Wikipedia is, honestly, I don't feel any proud or like I contribute something to this page, because all the information is already on the internet, and what I have done just summarize something related into one page. I think I only make some convenience to some people who are interested in data moshings, but I'm not sure it's anyone who is interested in data moshing. And there's one more thing I want to discuss is whether students today should use the Wikipedia, because the source may not be reliable and the content may not be trustable. But what I feel is Wikipedia is still a good thing for everybody. For example, when you Google something, and Wikipedia will always be the first result, and then it will also be your first choice to look at. Give you a brief idea about one thing, and then even though it's not reliable or maybe it's not 100% true, it helps you to save your time and also provide a massive knowledge. And that's one thing which may be worth to bring out. Whenever you look at a Wikipedia page, when you roll down to the bottom, and then there's a bunch of leads, like a link showing the references. I think that would be a valuable stuff that we should look at, because it's just like a filter that just give you what you need, and then go to that link, and then you as the viewer, as the user, and the user critical thinking, your critical mind to judge, to determine whether it's useful or not. So that's what I want to share about this, and see you guys next week. Bye.